Right, driveway from hell part 2. So we've got this pile of crap that was lying here, all the concrete and some blocks, and they're in the back of the bus here. Back of the old bus. A good wee workhorse, this thing. So I'll wait at the dump and we'll get rid of all this and then keep going. Fine day for it. So it's a boost. Fine wee breeze. It's a bit heavy, but it's not too bad. So we'll get back. Right, here's the way taken down. The tuffo is out the back. I've taken it down to pretty near level. I'm just using some of the flattest stones to build this bitty up. Then I'll get this pile of dirt scattered onto the head of it and get it levelled over to here. I'm not going to bother digging this up, I'll just level it from there to that side. I'll show you for the other side now. So, fair bit of rubble, but that'll go to the dump and more and most of it. And then it's just a case of get this tuffo over into here some far. That's the tuffo we already have. There's some tuffo along the wall there. So we'll take that out and get this wall sort of semi-formed. Get it all in filled. So that stain might not need to go to the dump, because there's still quite a bit of filling to do in here, so we'll get that done. But it's real heavy the day, with rain, thunder, and it feels like a ton weight sitting on you all the time just now. The sweat is just pouring off us. But here's the wee car into the drive. I mean, it could probably go back another metre yet anyway. Saying that, probably go back another car length. Probably come to about here. So that'll be one car. I'll get the horse in. So it'll be two. That's a drive for 4 or 5 cars, that. If that's not a good selling point, then I don't know what is. Couple of wee scrapey bits, I'll get some stains in the air and maybe lift this corner up a wee bit with some more stains. And then get the hardcore ordered, I suppose. 10 ton would do it. It's what, 25 before, 200 square metres. No, 100 square metres, 2-inch thick. Oh god, 6 ton would do. I'll get 10 anyway. Can I put the rest out the back? Right, that's the first day of Drive for Hell, part 2. Time for a beer. Okay, day 2 of part 2. I'm just gonna flatten all this out and see where we are. I was going to put this tuffo sort of in a line, but I think I'm just going to fake it into the foreground here. A hell of a work setting all that level, and not so much straight, but just level. We'll see. I'll flatten a bit out and we'll see how we go on. Day 3, Drive from Hell, part 2. So, we've got the wall down, stones, I'm still clearing that up. But today we're getting this blocks out at the neighbours and get this whole thing cleared out. We'll get the compressor and all the stones, trestles, just everything out of here and get it cleaned up. Right, hard chopping. I mind asking the wife years ago how did she like her Cadbury's cream eggs. And if you remember the advert for 90s, 2000s? The answer is going to be like my blocks in a bar. 6 at a time, baby, yeah! Well, here she goes. Last day of major work on the driveway from hell. Oh my god, that was 9 days work in total. Did you help, Kiva? Did you help Dad? Did you? Oh, yeah, good girl. Aye, so that's her ready for. I'm just going to put Chuckies. We got a message today for a local farmer asking if we're wanting Chuckies, so we're just going to take them. Now, apart from this wee bit here, I'm not bothered about that because I've just sort the back end. I'll worry about that another day. But a hell of a difference. This cable's for security lights, camera. We might get new gates or just tart them up and be done with it. But aye, what a difference. So, like I says before, you'll not get much out of this video, but a bonny view maybe. If you could give us a thumbs up for the work we've done, that'd be awful fine. And after a good job, have a good beer. Cheers folks, bye bye.